Good morning. Get out your Chapter 6 notes. Turn to Lesson 5, Slope-Intercept Form. Slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. X and y stay variables. M is your slope and b is your y-intercept. For b, you normally write it as a point. It's always 0, comma, b. Okay, and your slope is that rise over run. So, for the first four problems, all we're doing is plugging the two numbers into the formula. Now, these are not opposite like they were yesterday. You plug them in exactly the way they are. So we get y equals -1 times x, and then it's a plus b, but because it's negative, it's going to be -2. You should always get rid of that 1 though, so your best answer is y equals -x minus 2. Okay, same with the next one. Plug it in, y equals -1x plus 0. Now let's clean this up a little bit. You get y equals -x, and you don't really need a plus 0, so literally stop right there. Okay, the next two, y equals 3/2 times x minus 2. Nothing to do with that one, it's done. Number 4, y equals 5/4 times x minus 5, and that's it on that one. Okay, the last two problems, we have to write the equation from it. Okay, so you need the slope and you need the y-intercept. Y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, which would be right here. So that means that point is 0, 1. Oops, -1. So therefore B is -1. Now we need to count our slope. So choose another point on the graph. This looks like a point right here. Crosses the line. So how do we get to that point? We go down 1 to the right 1. Down 1 to the right 1. So -1/1 and reduce that to -1. So there's my slope. So plug the numbers in. Y equals -1x, or just -x, and then a -1. Last one. Here's where the graph crosses the y-axis. So that's 0, 2. So therefore B is 2. And then we need to find our slope. Choose another point. It looks like it's crossing right there. So we're going up 2 to the right 1. If I go up, it's a positive over 1. That just reduces to 2. Plug it in. Y equals 2x, and it's a positive 2, so plus 2. That's it, guys. Check Google Classroom for your assignment.